In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create boards in Trello. Whether you're organizing a work project, planning personal tasks, or managing a team, Trello boards help you stay on top of everything. With their simple structure and customizable features, Trello boards can adapt to your unique workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a board from scratch, customize it to suit your needs, and start organizing your tasks effectively. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to Trello's website by typing www.trello.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your Trello account by entering your username and password. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, which is quick and free. After signing in, locate the plus button labeled Create in the top right corner of the screen. Alternatively, if you're already inside a workspace, look for the tile that says Create New Board. Either option will take you to the next step. Click the Create button, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Create Board. This will open a setup window where you can start personalizing your new board. Now, it's time to name your board. In the provided field, enter a clear and descriptive title. For example, if this board is for a work project, you might name it Marketing Campaign or Product Launch. Having a clear title will make it easier to identify your boards later as your Trello usage grows. Next, choose a workspace for your board. If you're part of a team or organization, select the appropriate workspace from the drop-down menu. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new workspace here as well. This step is especially useful for grouping related boards together in one place. Once your workspace is set, decide on your board's visibility. You'll see three options: private workspace or public. Private means only you can see the board, Workspace allows everyone in your team to access it, and public makes it accessible to anyone with the link. Choose the option that best fits your needs, keeping in mind the level of privacy you require. Now comes the fun part: choosing a background for your board. Trello lets you pick from solid colors or photos to give your board a little personality. Select the background that inspires you or matches the mood of your project. When everything is ready, click the Create button. This final step will generate your new board and open it up ready for you to start building out your workflow. To structure your board, begin by adding lists. Common examples of lists include to do, doing, and done, but you can customize these to match your specific process. Simply type the name of each list and hit enter to add it to your board. With your lists in place, it's time to add cards. Cards represent individual tasks or ideas within your lists. For instance, under the to-do list, you might add cards like Write Project Proposal, Schedule Team Meeting, or Research Market Trends. Click the Add a Card option under each list, type the task name, and save it. And there you have it. Your Trello board is now set up and ready to help you stay organized and productive. You can continue refining it by adding more lists, attaching files, setting due dates, or inviting team members to collaborate. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.